So, we are in Rainy's house. Say hi.
Hi, Charlie.
And we're going to be taking a tour. So, this is the main area. Grandma's on her iPad. Say hi. Anyway. Oh, here goes another. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah. We're going to be uploading different videos to all three of our separate channels, by the way. Bye.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
You have a YouTube channel? Shit, let me see.
Mom, hold up. Anyway, kitchen. Yeah. We're just showing the main noob. Beep.
Oh, so you have a YouTube account?
Yeah, we have two. Oh God, why I won't get bored. Anyway, this is the kitchen. We have beauty products over here.
Don't look at my beauty products.
I'm not video. We have the water pitcher, the glass silverware, bowls, plates, a fork that I think fell out. Let's see, Jen. Greenie, can you explain why there's a bottle of gin here?
Because I'm over 21.
That gives you no right to drink. Oh my God. Anyway, the toilet paper roll, the giant water bottle, multiple water bottles, stove, water bottle. If you're wondering, it's dirty. Ew. The brick wall. It broke, by the way, I think. It kept the old texture. Yeah, the arc. Yeet.
Arch.
Stop. Anyway. And we have the B room, aka the bathroom. You, do your business. Shower, brush your teeth, wash your hands, whatever. Anyway, quote. Next we have.
Pina colada.
I'm gonna kill you. Anyway, next we have the master bedroom. We have the quote. Yeah. Smoothing gel. Next in. Oh yeah, this is the basement that cannot be opened at all. No, I'm serious. This is the basement that cannot open.
Yeah,
Anyway.
in there.
Shut up. Anyway, next we have the room that's in progress. I don't know what we're gonna do. I guess we're gonna paint this room, see what happens. Hopefully not break a circuit. Let's close the bath. There's probably another bedroom. Finally.
It's queen size.
We got the PS4, obviously. PS4 controller with the camo texture.
That's small. I said it's a queen size.
The PS4 camo texture. We have different games like We Happy Few, Ratchet Clank, Uncharted: The Lost Legacy, and Grand Theft and GTA 5. Radar. A headset. Turn it right. Dell computer. Whatever's back here. Jumbling tower. Alright, we're on the last segment. The stuffed animal. The door. The light switch.
You were going circling around again?
And finally, everything else.
Gotta get the,
Bye.